that time. It's time to remodel this kitchen. I've been waiting for years to do it. I'm kind of excited to get this done. Hopefully you'll enjoy the progression. That's what it looks like now. There's corn out there. We've got to figure out how to get all this formica off. We're going to start with this section because it's the least used at this moment.
How do I get this off without tearing it up?
It don't matter to me if I pull it up. We need that metal plate though. I didn't know that had that on there. Okay, this is what it looks like, tore up. And they use some high quality, what is this called, Ryan? Particle board. Particle board. See? Look what happens to particle board when it gets wet. So let's put it right by the water. Guess what I get to replace? Just pull the whole thing off the wall. There it is. What I'm trying to do is redo the kitchen. And what I have in there, what's been in there for, I don't know, since the 1970s is a bunch of formica. So we're going to pull that out and I'm going to replace that with kind of a wood veneer. All right. Ryan got that done. I got that done. That's where we're at.
Crazy, because it's been black for so long.
Thanks for that commentary. Okay, the walls are needing some resurfacing, so we're going to put this on them. So we're basically going to put a little backsplash and then it'll be painted. Of ply are really cheap. So, because it's thin, it's not quite as thin as a veneer, but I call it veneer because it's pretty thin. And what's wonderful about it is I think I'm going to be able to remodel my kitchen for between $100 and $200, and hopefully you'll like the results. I got two nice colors here, but this one here, I don't know, it looks a whole lot like that one. Got a different label and it looked different, but you know how it is when you're dealing with stain. Sometimes I should have probably went with something quite a bit more light, but I think it may lighten up. I'm going to rip these in half and then rip them down. I'm going to take this veneer top like a plywood, real pretty, rip it into strips that are about the width of your standard, floor planking.
Oh baby, poor thing. I bet you're cold out here. It's cold. Yeah. Ready to go in the house. I like this contrast between all of these, except I wish this would have been a little bit lighter. But I think it's gonna look good anyway, so I'm not gonna complain about it. You can kind of tell a little bit better inside that those are slightly different.
I am going to resurface our old cabinetry with this. Now I need to fill in these gaps, which I've already done this one. It's drying. And basically I'm just trying to wedge these into place and have a base, and then I'm going to completely fill in around the edge with the PL3. It's finally time to pull this sink out and repair the wood behind it. Alrighty, now it's time to sand these down and flush them to this countertop. Alright, here's kind of how it's gonna look. I'll just set it up there so I can figure out how I'm gonna cut it.